Many crypto enthusiasts wonder about the true security of their hardware wallets, specifically concerning internet connectivity. The ELLIPAL cold wallet is famously air-gapped, a design principle that makes it fundamentally secure because it operates without a direct internet connection. This means your private keys, the essential secret codes controlling your crypto, are generated and stored entirely offline on the ELLIPAL device itself. They never touch Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, USB, or any network. This physical isolation is the core of its security, making it impossible for online hackers to remotely access your funds. So, how do transactions happen? The ELLIPAL wallet works in conjunction with a separate, internet-connected mobile app. To send crypto, you initiate the transaction on the app, which generates a non-sensitive and signed transaction QR code. You then use the ELLIPAL device's camera to scan that QR code. Crucially, the ELLIPAL, completely offline, uses your private key to securely sign the transaction, generating a new signed QR code on its screen. The mobile app then scans this signed QR code and broadcasts the complete transaction to the blockchain. The ELLIPAL hardware wallet remains offline throughout this entire process. It only uses QR codes to pass the necessary, non-sensitive data back and forth. You cannot view your live crypto balance directly on the ELLIPAL device because it is not connected to the blockchain. That live balance information is only displayed on the internet-connected companion app, which is simply reading the public ledger. In short, the ELLIPAL wallet's most critical function, protecting your private keys and signing transactions, works completely without the internet. It leverages a separate app and QR codes to interact with the world, maintaining its air-gapped security.